High risk, high reward. That's what small cap investing is all about. And now there's a new entrant in this space, Samco Small Cap Fund. But is this the right time to bet on small caps? Let us break it down in this video in an in-depth manner. So hi there, welcome back to holisticinvestment.in, where we help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now before analyzing this fund, let us first understand a few basic details about it. So this is a small cap equity fund. So first let us understand what is a small cap fund. These are equity mutual funds that invest in the stock of small size companies. So small cap companies are that companies that are ranked from 251 onwards till 500 based on their market capitalization. And the approximate market cap is below 9,000 crores for these companies, and it has better return potential, and it is also more volatile compared to large cap and mid cap funds. So the small cap equity fund that aims to find opportunities among India's smaller listed companies. So the idea is to capture businesses that are currently small but have the potential to become tomorrow's mid and large cap. So as an NFO, it opens on 14th November 2025 and closes on 28th November 2025. And some of the key features of this fund are: this is an open-ended fund type which belongs to the category of equity small cap, and it has Nifty small cap 250 TRI as its benchmark index, and there is an exit load of 1% which will be charged if you choose to redeem it within 12 months. There is no entry load, and the minimum investment amount required to invest in this fund is 5,000 rupees. And the fund managers for this fund are Mr. Dawal Ghanshyam Dhanani, Ms. Nirali Bansali, and Mr. Umesh Kumar Mehta. And according to the riskometer, the risk involved in this fund is very high. So the primary investment objective of this fund is that it to generate long-term capital appreciation by investing in equity and equity-related securities of small cap companies. So now, as we have a basic idea about this fund, let us now move on to the analysis part of the video, where we are going to take a look at the pros and cons, advantages and disadvantages of investing in this fund to help us make a more informed decision. So now let's start with the advantages. Number one, growth potential of small caps. So small companies can grow at a faster pace compared to established giants. And number two, instead of betting on just one or two stocks, you get exposure to a basket of small cap companies. And number three, the fund aims to carefully select companies based on fundamentals rather than just market trends. And number four, if the right small caps perform well, long-term investors can benefit significantly from this. So these are the advantages of investing in this fund. Now let us take a look at the disadvantages, the cons. So number one, as it is a new fund offer, which is an NFO, there is no past performance to judge how the scheme will actually deliver. And number two, small caps are more sensitive to market corrections and can see sharp ups and downs. And number three, Samco as an asset manager is relatively new compared to bigger players. So the AMC track record is also still evolving. And number four, entering at the wrong phase of the market cycle can also impact your yearly returns. So these are some drawbacks that you need to keep in your mind before deciding to invest in this policy. So what is the final takeaway then? Is investing in the Samco small cap fund worth it or not? So to sum it up, this fund offers exciting growth potential for long-term investors who can handle high risk. But since it's an NFO with no history and comes from a relatively new AMC, caution is needed. If you are considering it, make sure it truly fits your risk profile and forms only a portion of a well-diversified portfolio. So our personal recommendation is that if you do want to invest in a similar fund like a small cap fund, there are existing mutual funds that have a track record of minimum of 5 to 10 years, where you would be able to take a calculated risk by analyzing how it has performed in highs and lows all these time in a long-term period. But without proper portfolio portfolio, track record, and research, investment in an NFO is risky. And also, if you're looking for funds for your core portfolio, definitely avoid investing in an NFO like this, because if it underperforms, it will also affect the overall returns in your core portfolio. So if you do want to invest in Samco small cap fund now and you have surplus money, then you can invest it through a satellite portfolio, which is meant to be a supplementary holding, just with a minimum investment amount as a trial basis. And then over the years, if you think it's performing well, then you can increase the amount accordingly. So if you need professional guidance also, you can consult with a professional financial planner who will look into the suitability of this fund's investment objective, risk profile, overlap ratio, and allocation, and help you strategically allocate this fund or other better funds for your portfolio to help you achieve your financial goals in a more smarter and faster way in a long-term period.
And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.